I've got an incredible result to show you today. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 unusual and super effective techniques to clone or multiply plants. From aromatic herbs like mint, rosemary, or spearmint, to your favorite fruit trees, citrus like orange or lemon trees, but also avocado, mango, fig trees, or any fruit tree you have. If you've always wanted to propagate your own fruit plants at home without spending money and using easy methods, stick around because we're starting right now with the first method. For this method, I use 3 small branches about 15 to 20 centimeters long. I clean the lower part about 10 centimeters by removing all the leaves. Right there, I apply a pinch of ground cinnamon, a natural antifungal that helps prevent fungus when rooting. I prepare 3 clear plastic bags with a little bit of settled or filtered water. I put each branch inside, close it with a rubber band, and place all 3 small bags inside a large white or clear bag to create a humid, mini greenhouse environment. I check the water every week and change it if it gets cloudy. I keep everything in a warm place but out of direct sunlight. In 4 to 6 weeks, roots will start to appear. When they're ready, I transplant them into a 5-liter pots with a light, well-draining soil mix. This method is perfect for herbs, but it gives you a clear idea of how home propagation works. Now let's move on to something that's great for fruit trees. Citrus trees like orange, lemon, or mandarin. I pick a healthy branch from a citrus tree. I make a partial cut without removing the branch from the tree. I apply powdered cinnamon to the wound. I place a bag with water right over the cut and secure it with a tie. Then I cover the bag with black plastic to keep in the moisture and block direct light. I check it every week. If the water gets cloudy, I change it. In 4 weeks, you can already see roots inside the bag. When that happens, I cut the branch just below where it rooted and transplant it into a 10-liter pot with airy substrate. This method works really well for citrus trees, but it can also be used for other fruit trees. Now, get ready for the most amazing method of all, designed for large trees like fig, mango, avocado, and so on, although today we'll use a fig tree as an example. This method is perfect for woody fruit trees like fig, mango, avocado, or any fruit tree with a trunk. It works just as well in summer as in winter because it takes advantage of the soil's stable temperature all year round. This is what's known as the Norwegian method. First, I wash the sand really well until the water runs completely clear, and then I fill half the bottle with that sand. Next, I make 2 vertical cuts in the lower part of the filled section. This creates 3 internal zones. At the bottom, a water reservoir. In the middle, a natural drainage. And at the top, the perfect humid and oxygenated environment for rooting. And here we add a very important step. Once the cuts are made, and before inserting the cutting, we add about a liter of water into the bottle, directly onto the sand. The water will flow down to the lower reservoir and spread through the 3 zones, keeping the top part moist but not waterlogged. With this, we activate the system and create the perfect microclimate for the cutting to start working. This mimics the old Norwegian vessels, which regulated moisture through a hole placed at just the right height. Now, I prepare the cutting, in this case from a fig tree, making it long enough so it sits level with the cap. At the base, I apply aloe vera gel and then powdered cinnamon, which help it heal and prevent fungus. I insert the cutting into the bottle, and now comes a key step. I apply a natural antifungal preventative that's very easy to make, and at the end of the video, I'll explain how you can make it yourself at home. I spray with this preventative once a week. Then I take the bottle to the garden and bury it up to the level of the cap, always leaving the cap open so the system can breathe and maintain a stable microclimate without excess moisture. In 3 to 4 weeks, the cutting will start to develop strong roots. When that time comes, the process is very simple. Carefully dig up the bottle. Open one side of the bottle just enough. Take out the cutting with the sand still attached without breaking the roots. Transplant it into a pot with loose, well-aerated soil. Water it, and that's it. Now you have your new little fruit tree at home. And as I promised, here is the natural antifungal preventative we use in all 3 methods, which you can make at home in less than a minute. It's very simple. In 1 liter of water, add a pinch of ground cinnamon. Just a little, only enough to slightly cloud the water. Stir very well until the cinnamon is completely mixed in. Strain it with a fine cloth or a fabric strainer so there are no solid bits left that could clog the sprayer. Pour it into a spray bottle or sprayer. This natural preventative works as a mild antifungal that helps prevent fungus on cuttings and greatly improves the success rate. You just need to spray once a week, and that's it. See how easy it is? If these techniques surprised you and you'll learn something new, leave me a like and comment which plant you're going to try them with. Your interaction really helps us keep sharing useful content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. See you very soon, and may your plants grow strong.